What if I told you there's a food truck concept where you wouldn't even need a hood vent? You're running instant pots instead of a grill or a griddle, and you're serving comfort food that basically sells itself. Let's do some food costing for a Sloppy Joe. The gang at Serious Eats, they just dropped an updated recipe, and I haven't thought about Sloppy Joes in years, but this did get me thinking, so let's run it through the FoodCostChef Calculator. Here's what we're working with. Ground beef, lean, fresh, onions, garlic, a little chicken stock, tomato sauce, ketchup, Dijon mustard, what's this here sauce, brown sugar, cornstarch, kosher salt, and, I have to add this MSG 5-pound box for $15.54. Here come the keyboard warriors, bring it on. I got this recipe from Serious Eats, so whether you use it or not, it's entirely up to you. And finally, these potato buns from Martin's. They'll make excellent Sloppy Joes. The total batch cost comes to $13 for 4 servings. That's a little higher than I expected, but we're using quality ingredients here. This isn't a box from a grocery store shelf. At a menu price of $9, the food cost is 36%, and the gross profit is about $5.75. Not bad if you're doing volume and keeping expenses tight. But look at the $12 scenario. Gross profit jumps to $8.75. Food costs drops to 27%. Much more breathing room there. And, food truck food isn't cheap anymore. At $12 for a quality Sloppy Joe with real ingredients, you're not pricing yourself out of the market by any means. Now, here's where the concept gets interesting. You could run this entire operation with a few Instant Pots. Low energy, low heat, no hood vent required. Just keep that steam table stocked up or scoop it right out of the Instant Pots. High volume, fast service, minimal equipment. If you're looking for a good food truck idea that doesn't require a full kitchen build out, this is worth a serious look. I've got a cash flow spreadsheet on my website at foodcostchef.com/sloppyjoe. You can actually download that spreadsheet and play around with the price for the sandwiches, your costing scenario, your length of season, your volume of sales, and, play around with the numbers the way you see it working for you. If you come up with some good branding, this could really work. It would go great on social media. Go grab it. That's at foodcostchef.com/sloppyjoe. You're welcome. Chefs, remember, it's only good food if the math works.